Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakisar YouTube channel. In this video, you will know the specific jobs held by artificial intelligence professionals. A career in artificial intelligence can be realized within a variety of settings, including private companies, public organizations, education, the arts, healthcare facilities, government agencies, and the military. Some positions may require security clearance prior to hiring, depending on the sensitive of information employees may be expected to handle. So let us discuss one by one the specific jobs held by artificial intelligence professionals. The first one is software analysts and developers. Second one, computer scientists and computer engineers. Third one, algorithm specialists. Fourth one, research scientists and engineering consultants. Fifth one, mechanical engineers and maintenance technicians. Sixth one, manufacturing and electrical engineers. Seventh one, surgical technicians working with robotic tools. Seventh one, medical health professionals working with artificial limbs, prosthetics, hearing aids, and vision restoration devices. The next one, military and aviation electronics working with flight simulators, drones, and armaments. The next one, graphic art designers, digital musicians, entertainment producers, textile manufacturers, and architects. The last one is post secondary professors at technical and trade schools, vocational centers, and universities. From its inception in the 1915s through the present day, artificial intelligence continues to advance and improve the quality of life across multiple industry settings. As a result, those with the skills to translate digital bits of information into meaningful human experience will find a career in artificial intelligence to be sustaining and rewarding. So that's all about some of the different types of artificial intelligence careers. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also like our videos. So you will get notifications when you subscribe our YouTube channel. So you will get latest technology videos daily. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for visit. Have a nice day.